art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw the Barista Bear Cup from Starbucks. So first we're going to get started up above with the straw, and we're going to start with that curved line from left to right for the base of the straw. Now from here, as we move up on the left hand side, we're going to draw that diagonal line coming through towards the top. We're going to leave a gap for the straw coming across on the right, replicating that, and we're going to end that at the exact same height. We're going to close this off from left to right with a curved line. And then we're going to do the same thing on the top from corner to corner, curving that around and then down in the opposite direction. Let's draw on the stripes coming down. So we're going to curve this line slightly as we come down on a diagonal towards the bottom. We're going to move down, replicating that as we bring that line up towards the top right. Let's move down again, curving this line over and through on a diagonal. And then dropping down again, creating that second stripe. And then one more time as we move underneath, we're just going to curve this around and through. Let's leave a gap now. We're going to come down, and in the center here, we're going to curve this line up and through towards the left. We're going to start back on our line in the center, curving this up and through towards the right. Let's create the dome shape up above. So coming up behind the straw here, we're going to curve this line down on the left. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move through on the right, bringing that down. Now let's move over. On the left-hand side here, we're going to curve this line around and down on the side. And then we're just going to do the same thing on the right, and we're going to end that at the same height. Now from here, let's close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Let's move in towards the middle now, and we're going to draw on the badge where we'll write Starbucks later. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, curving this line down. We're going to do the same on the right, leaving quite a big gap, and we're just going to draw that at the same size. Now let's close this off on the top. So we're going to bring this line over towards the right. And then we're going to do the same thing as we move underneath on the bottom. Let's draw in the bear's head now. So on the left-hand side from this corner, we're going to curve this around and in towards the center. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're just going to end that at the same height. Let's draw on the ear. Let's come up above, and we're going to draw in a half circle, curving this around and through towards the side. Let's add in the detail in the center of the ear. So we're going to curve this around and then down. Now, in the middle, we're going to draw in a nice big circle in the center of the head. Let's draw on the bear's nose. So coming down, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Moving underneath on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and up on the right. Directly in the center, let's draw in a small straight line coming down. And then we're going to curve this over and up on the left and right hand side. Let's move over and draw in the eyes now. So we're going to draw in a circle on the left hand side. And then we're going to move across on the right hand side, replicating that. Let's add in the highlight for the bear now. So on the top left, we're going to draw in another circle for the highlight in our eye. We'll do the same on the right-hand side as well. And then now that we've drawn in our highlights, we're going to come in and color in the pupils black. Now let's come down and draw in the rest of the bear glass. So we're going to start on the left-hand side for the arm, curving this around. We're going to scoop this back in. Let's do the same thing on the right. So we're going to curve this around and then through on the side. Now let's come down for the legs. So for the feet, we're going to come down, leaving a small gap, curving this around, bringing this down, back through towards the top. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right-hand side as well. Now on both sides, we're going to curve this line out. And then we're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line from left to right. Now let's move in towards the center. We're going to draw in an oval right in the middle. And then we'll do the same thing on the right. Now let's come in and add in the details in the center. So where the coffee line kind of sits here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And we're going to fill our bear with some iced coffee, so we're going to draw in some ice cubes. So we're going to come in on the top here, bringing this diagonal line across and then down. We're going to have some kind of coming underneath that coffee line, so we're going to bring this line over and then back up towards the top, finishing that off. Let's draw another one coming over on the right. So we're just going to draw this diagonal line coming through, and then we're going to bring this line down on the right. Coming over, we're going to bring another diagonal line up and then down. Now we're going to come in behind, drawing in the coffee line from the back portion. So we're going to curve this line in. We're going to extend that through towards the right. And then now from here, coming behind that ice cube, we're just going to curve that down on the side. Let's draw in the circle for the Starbucks logo in the middle. So right in the center here, like we did on the face, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle. Let's draw in the rest of the ice cube underneath. So we're going to draw in a straight line coming down. We're going to draw in an ice cube over on the left. So we're going to bring this line out, across, and down. And then on the top here, just bringing that line in. On the right-hand side now, we're going to bring this diagonal line through and then in towards the Starbucks logo. Now that we've drawn in the main shape of the bear, we're going to come in and draw in the logo. So we're going to write in Starbucks on the top here, and we're going to get our thin pen so we can see this easier. So we're going to start with the letter S for Starbucks on the top here. Moving across, drawing in the letter T. Let's draw in the letter A. Let's draw in the letter R. Drawing in the letter B. The letter U. The letter C. The letter K. And feel free to pause this, because I know I'm probably drawing these a little bit faster than you at home. And then also the letter S. Now let's draw on the Starbucks logo right in the center. So we're going to come up from the side, and we're going to curve this line up and then down. We're just going to mirror it on the opposite side. Now we're going to come up again, curving this line out towards the middle and then back in. And then now from here, we're just going to curve this line all the way down towards the bottom. Let's draw in two straight lines on the side, diagonal coming across. Let's move down. We're going to do that again. Let's leave a small gap, replicating that. Again, moving down. And then again, one last time. Let's draw on the Starbucks logo in the center, drawing in the head now. So right in the middle, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming up on both sides. Now from here, let's bring that line in towards the middle. And now let's draw a star in the center. So we're going to come up on the top, drawing in 2 diagonal lines coming out. From that point, we're going to bring that line up towards the top. Now from here, let's bring that line out and then back in. And then we're going to bring this line up and back down on the diagonal on the top. On the left-hand side, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to bring that diagonal line from that point back down towards the bottom. We're going to bring this line down. Now we're going to draw in the head, so we're going to curve this line across from left to right. We're going to bring this line down on a diagonal. We're going to curve this line, bringing that around and in. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom with a nice big arch line from left to right. And then in the center, we're just going to draw in a small circle. Let's come down for the body. We're going to curve this line over on both sides, arching that out, in, out, back down. We're going to do the same on the right. Now let's draw in the hair coming down. So on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a wavy line, curving this out, in, back out, and in. Essentially just following the shape of the body. We'll do the same on the right. Coming in beside that from the point on the top, let's replicate that, making that nice and thin. Let's move across and do that again. So from the top, following that shape, out, in, and down towards the bottom. And then again from that point, replicating that. And then one more time as we move across. And then again, moving over, replicating the shape of that line. And that is it. That's how you draw the Starbucks Teddy Bear Barista Cup. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.